Oh yeah! Crispy, spicy, creamy, and wrapped to perfection. Today, we're making the legendary KFC Style Twister Wrap right at home.
First up, the crispy chicken. Grab 2 butterflied breasts, buttermilk, an egg, and our spicy seasoning blend. Toss those butterflied breasts right into the buttermilk, egg, and spice mixture, ensuring every single inch is beautifully coated. Pop that bowl inside and let it chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Patience is the secret ingredient for tender, flavorful meat. For that iconic KFC crunch, you need flour, cornflour, rice flour, baking powder, and our secret spice blend. Whisk all those beautiful dry ingredients together. This powerhouse blend of flour and spices is what guarantees that famous, flaky crust. Drop that marinated chicken right into the dry mix and press firmly. You want every inch covered for maximum crunch. After heavy coating, then drop it into 170 degrees Celsius oil until it transforms into a beautiful, golden, crispy masterpiece. Listen to that crunch. Once rested, use your finest knife skills to slice that crispy masterpiece into thick, juicy strips, ready for wrapping. Let's make that addictive twister sauce. Grab mayonnaise, ketchup, hot sauce, vinegar, honey, and your spices. Whisk everything together vigorously. Watch it transform into this rich, tangy, perfectly sweet and spicy magic. Finally, the assembly. Grab a large flour tortilla, our homemade sauce, crispy chicken, lettuce, and tomatoes. Time to build. Take your warm flour tortilla, spread that twister sauce generously, and layer on your fresh shredded lettuce and juicy tomatoes. Top it off with huge slices of our crispy chicken, tuck in the sides, and roll it up tightly to lock all those incredible flavors inside. For that ultimate fast food finish, toast it in a dry pan for 1 minute on each side to get that crucial, warm, crispy outer shell. And there you have it, the ultimate KFC style twister wrap. If you're ready for a bite, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and keep watching.